Hey everybody, this is Wakefield from True Online Wealth here. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is a fantastic place where you can get some eyeballs on your website, some good quality traffic to your offers, squeeze pages, landing pages, websites, or whatever you promoting online. And the name of this fantastic place is called 10K Hits. It's a traffic exchange. It's highly popular and respected. It's a lot of place. I mean, it's a good place. To get eyeballs on whatever you're doing. So, what you do is you sign up for a free account, and when you get logged in, like I am right now, as you can see, this is me right here. And you hit surf now, which I've already hit that button. And when you get there, it's going to say download exchanger. I've already downloaded it. So, and what you do, let me get to it here. What you do is right here. You might not see all of it on this recording here. But I'm about to show you. Okay, this is what it looks like. And this is connected to your account, once you downloaded or whatnot. You will see a site. It might be taking a little while to load. Yeah, you have to log in again. View the sites. I got to do this capture here. Okay. Log in again. I must have hit the wrong button or something. I know. I can't stand this capture stuff, but you gotta do it, do it. So, okay. Now that I'm in, I'll go back to surf now again. Okay. Now checking my browser or not, whatnot. Then you just hit surf now. Okay. Once you set up, I was just showing you the whole process of signing up. Once you get it set up, you can just go straight to the exchanger that's on your desktop. Then you have to go to the exact website, but you'll still have to log in. But yeah, you just wait for the timer to go down like this. And see 1.6 point learning. It'll take you to the next site. And let the timer go down again. And you just earn points. And then you just use those points towards advertising your sites. Okay. See, it keeps going from site to site and you end up earning points. Just like that. And yeah, that's all you do. Just that simple. I'm going to wait for this one to count down, and then I'm going to go back and show you something else. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to the site itself. This is where you add your websites. See, that's the 3 I got going. You take your points, and once you set it up, your points will go to these, and you can set for how many hits you want and all of that. And then you can go to overview to see the hits that you receive for your sites or whatever for a specific day. See, I haven't been using it for a while, but this is where you will see everything on how many hits to all your sites or whatnot. But yeah, this is a fantastic place uh to get some traffic to everything you doing. Like I say, it's free to sign up, and you can upgrade to a business for $29 a month or a pro for $10 a month. But I just do the free. You can get traffic to 3 different website slots. Also, you get 5% of your referrals points. It doesn't deduct from your points. You just get 5% of how much they've done or whatnot. But yeah, if this is not enough for you, you can go up to the 10 or you can go up to the business. It's going to cost you to do that monthly. But if you want to just do free, you can just do free. But either way, you can still get exposure to your site no matter which one you pick. So it's free. You most definitely want to sign up. This is a good site with a lot of active people in this community. So if I were you, I would sign up for free. So I'm gonna put a link to my affiliate. I'm gonna put my affiliate link below this video, and I'm also gonna put a link to my blog below this video. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell because there will be more to come. So y'all have a wonderful, fantastic day. Peace.